Let's go on to our next recipe. We're making salad. For the revitalizing rainbow salad, you will need 2 carrots, red cabbage, spinach, and 8 radishes. Well, that's nice and easy, nice. I like that.
Well, as our motto is, we're in a business to serve, and it should be health practical for all.
Right.
So I'm sure you guys are experts already on how to go ahead and make up a salad. So I can't even teach you, but I wanted to share with you this special revitalizing salad. All right. As we can see here, all we do real quick is we just take some spinach.
Yeah.
All right, and always make sure before you eat it, because I know everybody's scared about spinach and da-da-dee-da-da-da, just make sure you bless the food.
There you go. I like that.
What, was that too hard?
No, that's not hard.
And then we have the radishes right here.
Right.
Radishes are excellent for those dealing with allergies as well.
Oh, any type of allergy? A specific kind of allergy?
It doesn't matter. Sinusitis, bronchitis, eczema, whatever it is, radishes are excellent. And nobody can eat a radish without being revitalized. You know what I mean? If you ate radishes. And then just, you know, for a little extra decoration and also good for the stomach, we have some nice purple cabbage. And then we'll finish off here with, you can't beat it, but carrots.
Carrots.
Even though we're going to be talking about Veggie's Best Kept Secret, I'm sorry to disappoint you, but these are none of Veggie's Best Kept Secret. But these are all good, and you know the spinach is excellent as well.
Right. Can I ask you, do you use organic produce, or what type of produce do you recommend?
Well, as you remember how we just mentioned, we implement health for all. To implement organic in all that we do, it will be almost impossible for those who can't afford even to put food on their table.
Right. Absolutely.
So we encourage people to go to the store, pick the fruits, the veggies, the simplest way possible. And as we read in Genesis 1:29, what determines if a fruit is a fruit? If it has a what?
The seed?
If it has a seed. So let's go ahead and let's pick a fruit with a what?
Seed.
Because if it doesn't have a seed, what is it?
Vegetable.
A vegetable, or if it looked like a grape and it doesn't have a seed, it could be a fish for all we know. We know man has tampered with it. So pick the fruits, the veggies in the simplest way possible with the veggies. If it looks too big, what should you do? Leave it alone.
True.
If it's too small and cute and all that stuff, leave it alone. Just pick it in a simple way, and then before you eat it, what should you do?
Bless the food.
Bless the food and trust that God will bless it.
Right.
But many times we bless it and we say, uh-oh, maybe I need to take something to implement and help it. But no, let's believe and trust that God will work it out.
That's really neat, because that's the 8 laws of health, and one of them is trust in divine power.
Trust in divine power.
So you're really implementing that trust in divine power, and saying, okay, God, I'm asking you to bless this food, and I'm choosing that you will. I'm choosing to believe that you will.
Exactly. So we realize in the end, when Jesus came to witness, he didn't only witness to the rich man, he didn't only witness to the poor man or the middle class, he witnessed to all. So all should be able to access good health. Don't you think so?
Yeah, that's right.
There you go.
Good.
So bless it. And you know what's funny? I read, I can't remember where, I'll find it and get it to you. They sold more organic produce last year than they actually grew. I'm going to let you guys think about that one. Yeah, we're going to have to think about that.
I got to really think about that.
But we're going to go ahead and finish off this delicious, revitalizing rainbow salad.